Hey guys, how's it going? Markel here, back with another video, and this is a video follow-up with the Pixel 5a 5G. I know you guys' inbox, if you're following any of the tech YouTubers today, have been filled up with Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro review videos of the cameras and the videos. So in this video, I just want to follow up, man, after having this phone for over a week, letting you guys know that this is still a great alternative if you don't have the $599 plus tax or the $899 plus tax to buy the new Pixel, okay? Even though this is an older design, it's a very minimal design, and I did get my new case and I did put a screen protector on this. This is still a great alternative. Now, even though it's only 60 Hertz, okay, you don't get that high refresh rate, but even though it's 60 Hertz, you'll be hard pressed for a lot of people to be able to tell the difference when scrolling between this phone and the Pixel 6, which is 90 Hertz, okay? Because the Pixel 6 has a 1080p screen. This is a 1080p screen. The Pixel 6 has an 8 megapixel camera. This has an 8 megapixel camera, okay? When I do get my Pixel 6 Pro, I'm going to do a blind camera test, and I want to see if you guys can tell the difference between photos from this versus photos from the Pixel 6 Pro. Now, when it comes to video, yeah, you'll be able to tell the difference, okay? Because as I said in my initial video, the cameras as far as video is decent, but I would not call it the greatest. There's many other phones out there that have some much better video quality than this, especially if you want to shoot in 460. Even with the new cameras, and this is something that they're not saying right now, but the Pixel 6 front camera does not shoot 4K at all. It still only shoots 1080p. The Pixel 6 Pro front camera only shoots in 4K 30, does not shoot 4K 60. Even on the rear, not every camera shoots 4K 60. They shoot 4K 30. Now, for those of you that it matters for 4K 60, which is why I would say, had I known a lot of these things earlier, like even with slow-mo, it doesn't shoot in 4K at all in slow-mo. It shoots at 1080p. You know, I've been thinking twice about ordering it. If it hadn't already shipped, I might have canceled the order. I mean, just keeping it 100. There's a lot of things about the Pixel that were left out, because I went back and I rewatched that event, and they don't really talk about what they're actually shooting these things in, or which camera they're shooting it in. They just say 4K this, you know, we're shooting in this, and this is the quality you're gonna get. So I understand now why they did 2 embargoes instead of 1, because I believe most people, had they known some of the features on there would not allow you to do 4K, I don't think they would have got that phone. But it is what it is. But anyway, I just want to say though, man, that while you guys are getting flooded with everything about the Pixel 6, don't forget about the Pixel 5, 5a, 5G. This is still a great device at a great price for $449. This is a true mid-range phone. You're still gonna get 5G low band. Even the Pixel 6 does not get millimeter wave. So if you got Verizon, it's not gonna work. You're gonna have to get the 6 Pro. So I'm just trying to show you guys a cheaper alternative if you're looking for a device that came out this year, which this came out in September. In comparison to paying 600 plus for the Pixel 6 Pro, you get paid under 500 bucks and get this device. All right, guys. So with that being said, I'll be back in probably a week or two to do a comparison after I do the unboxing of the Pixel 6 Pro, and want you guys to see if you can tell the difference between the photos from this camera. And I didn't give you the specs on this camera. The specs on this camera is 12 megapixel for the main, 16 megapixel for the wide. The Pro is gonna have a 50 megapixel for the main, a 16 megapixel for the ultra wide, and a 48 megapixel for the telephoto. I guarantee you, most of you guys will not be able to tell the difference. Okay guys, but with that being said, I appreciate everybody watching as always. Until the next time guys, I am out.